I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the same OpenAI/Chatgpt account you use for conversations. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and choose Profile. This is the only place to edit your Chatgpt avatar. Make sure you already have a photo file that meets size and format limits, because you'll upload it immediately. While there, check that your account email is verified so the change saves without extra security checks. This prevents failures during the upload step. You'll now click Change Photo and pick the prepared image from your device. This is the core action. Once chosen, use the built-in crop and zoom controls to center your face and remove distracting edges, because proper framing is what reads well at avatar size. Make sure the image is JPG or PNG and under the size limit, otherwise the site rejects it. When satisfied, press Save or Confirm. This cues the new avatar for your account immediately. After saving, you should see the new picture applied to your account. Check it by refreshing the page or signing out and back in, since some clients need a fresh session to show updates. If your avatar still doesn't appear everywhere, give the servers a minute and then clear your browser cache or update the Chatgpt app. This resolves most sync issues. If upload fails repeatedly, confirm file type and size, then try a different browser or device to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.